Hi, coaches. This is Denise Needham, your Senior Director of Training and Field Development. And today we're going to review how you set up your Team Beachbody profile and personalize your Beachbody websites so your business can get up and get running and you can start helping people achieve their goals and live healthy, fulfilling lives. Now I'm going to show you how to set up your profile at teambeachbody.com and how to personalize your websites, including your Beachbody Coach, Shakeology, and Ultimate Reset websites. Before I show you how to personalize your websites, I want to show you how to complete your Team Beachbody profile. The reason it's important to complete your profile first is because the information you put in your profile is linked to your websites. And when someone is on your website, they'll have the option to view your profile to learn more about you. So definitely take time to complete every step in your profile so your prospects can get to know you through your online story. The easiest way to complete your profile is to use the Startup Wizard, which walks you through every step of the process. Plus, if you have to step away for any reason and continue completing your profile at a later time, you can use the Startup Wizard to take you to exactly where you left off and complete the sections you weren't able to get to. Your profile consists of your basic information, your fitness progress and goals, programs, which is your own personal fitness program library, photos to track your fitness progress, and create your photo success story, buddies, and groups where you can connect with other Team Beachbody members for support and motivation, a blog so you can write about your story and your goals, and privacy settings so you can determine who can view the different sections of your profile. Once your profile is complete, you can start to personalize your Beachbody websites. From the teambeachbody.com site, click on the Coach menu and select Coach Online Office. Remember that you'll need to be logged in to access the Coach Online Office. From the Coach Online Office, select the My Websites menu, and you'll see links to edit all three of your websites: Beachbody Coach, Shakeology, and Ultimate Reset. Also notice that your Beachbody Coach and Shakeology websites are available in both English and Spanish. First, select Edit Beachbody and choose English. Your Team Beachbody Coach English website will then be displayed in edit mode. Notice that your website address will display in the top right portion of the page. It's important to write down this address so you can easily direct your family, friends, and prospects to your site, as well as add your website address to your business cards. Everything that you will have access to edit will have a red Edit button. First, you'll want to edit your name. Click on the Edit button below the name field. A window will appear that allows you to type in your name and choose your font style. When you're happy with your edits, click Save to save your changes. Next, you'll have the option to add your phone number. Simply click on the Edit button below the phone number field. A window will appear allowing you to enter your phone number. And again, make sure to save your changes. You can also change the image that appears below your phone number. The image is automatically set with a default Team Beachbody image. To change this image, click on the red Choose button. From here, you can choose a preloaded corporate image or upload your own. To upload your own, simply select Browse to find the image you want, then upload the image and choose it in the selection field. Image size cannot be larger than 1 megabyte. After you've selected your image, you can edit your personal greeting. Click on the red Edit button below the Personal Greeting section. Then, when the window appears, add your message and save it. You'll also have the option to change the ad banners on your page. You can choose 2 different ad banners to be displayed. Click on one of the red Choose buttons to view all of the ad banners available. Select the Click to Choose button to display the ad banner on your page. You can only select one ad banner at a time, so make sure to click on the other red Choose button to choose your second banner. You'll want to make sure and add links to your social network pages, which will be displayed at the bottom of your Beachbody Coach page. To do this, just click on the Add Social Networks option under Page Setup at the top of the page. You'll now be redirected to your Beachbody Coach profile page. Here you can enter in your social network URLs. Make sure to click on the orange Submit button to save your changes. You can also register your website through Google by selecting Register Website from the Page Setup menu. Registering your website allows you to get detailed reports about your page's visibility on Google. The last item you can edit is the lead collector information. This can be found under the Page Setup menu. Simply select Lead Collector and choose the fields you want your visitors to complete when they visit your sites, and make sure to save your changes. The lead collector information is shared by all of your Beachbody websites. Now that you've made all your edits, you can preview your changes by clicking Preview Website at the top of the page. You'll see your completed website, which includes a link to your Team Beachbody profile so visitors can go to your site to learn more about you. You can also select Contact Me to see the items you chose to collect from your visitors when you set up your lead collector information. Finally, if you go back to the main edit page, you'll also see a drop-down menu for language preference. If you click on Spanish, the Spanish version of your Team Beachbody Coach website will display. From here, you can make edits to the Spanish version of your Beachbody Coach page by following the same steps you completed for the English page. With your Beachbody Coach website complete, you can move on to personalizing your Shakeology site. First, select Edit Shakeology from the My Websites menu and choose English. Your Shakeology English website will then display in edit mode. Just like your Beachbody Coach website, you'll find the web address for your Shakeology site displayed in the top right portion of the page. You'll also see the same red edit buttons to indicate sections you can personalize. For the Shakeology website, you can edit your name, phone number, and image, just like you did on the Beachbody Coach website. You can also personalize the Spanish version by clicking on the drop-down language menu and choosing Spanish. Once you're done personalizing your Shakeology site, you can preview your changes by selecting the Preview Website button. When you're satisfied with your changes, move on to personalize your Ultimate Reset website by clicking on Edit Ultimate Reset from the My Website menu. Your Ultimate Reset website has the same personalization sections as your Shakeology site: name, phone number, and image, so editing this site should go quickly. Finally, by selecting Site Manager from any of the Edit Website modes or from the My Websites menu, you can activate or disable any of your websites. Note that all of your sites are automatically made active unless you choose to disable them. The Site Manager will also show you how many visitors or hits you've received. So that's it. You've completed the training and learned how to successfully set up your Team Beachbody profile and personalize your Beachbody Coach, Shakeology, and Ultimate Reset websites. Now it's your turn to take what you learned and put it to work. Schedule time on your calendar to set up your online business right away. In fact, it's best to set it up today while the steps for completion are fresh in your mind. When your profile and websites are complete, you can move on to learn about more tools Beachbody provides you to be successful and set up your business, including TeamBeachbody.com and your Coach online office. Welcome to Team Beachbody. We look forward to recognizing and rewarding your successes.